Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today is still Sunday. Hope you all are relaxing, but we got a bonus watch face for you to check out, so stay tuned. It's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a bonus watch face for you all to check out, a very nice one at that. It's by my man Malcolm. Now the name of the watch face is called Digital Outdoors. It's a very good look for the runner in you and or for a casual wear. Now looking at the watch face when it's in the AOD mode, it looks just the same. It's not going to give you every single thing, but it'll give you what's most important to see at a glance. And I'm telling you, you're going to love this watch face. Now, when the watch face is on, at the top you have altimeter. You come down, you get your digital time, which is very legible. Get your day and your date. Also, right up under that, which I thought was unique, you get good night. So I'm guessing if it's afternoon, maybe it'll say good afternoon. If it's morning, maybe it'll say good morning. I am not sure, but I'm liking this good night. Now, if you look right here, that's your second hand. I'm loving that look. Very different. Add some character to the watch face, right? But if you come all the way over to the left, right here, you get a water bottle. I thought that was very different, a very nice look. You also get a phone, which you can make a phone call, and you also get a fire. I like what he did with this. Then you get the weather, and you also get your coffee, where you can count how many coffees you've had for the day. And you can also get your settings over here, battery percentage, your goal completed so far as your steps are concerned, moon phase, you get your step info, you get everything you can need so far as step status is concerned. And he spreads out some more shortcuts around the bezel of the watch. You get contacts, you can send a text message. Here's the first, Wi-Fi. Very different. You also get your music. I'm telling you, this is truly a good look. Now, you cannot customize the color, but do you really need to? This is definitely a great looking watch face. But if you look down at the bottom, now you got this, what you would think would be a smiley face, but it is definitely looking sad. It's looking sad because my battery percentage is hanging out with low cell. So this is your meter for your battery percentage. Once it's lit up, this is going to be your meter for your goal completed. So far as your steps is concerned, again, I've been nowhere. I've been off for the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit me in the comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face and if you're going to go download it or not. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.